Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So here I have drawn the figure of two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. They are similar triangles. AP and DQ are their corresponding medians. Here it is given triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square by our theorem 6.6. We need to prove the ratio of their areas equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So here we need to get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AP by DQ whole square. So to prove that, first we are going to prove these two triangles, triangle ABP and this triangle DEQ are similar. In triangle ABP and triangle DEQ, we have AB by DE equal to BC by EF. Here triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. So we can write AB by DE equal to BC by EF. But we don't want this BC and EF completely. We need only BP and EQ. So we can take half here. So AB by DE equal to half BC by half EF. Half of BC is BP and half of EF is EQ. So we get AB by DE equal to BP by EQ. Also we have angle ABP equal to angle DEQ because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. ABC and DEF are similar triangles, so this angle ABC equal to angle DEF. So we can say this angle ABP is equal to angle DEQ. So here we have got 2 A's and here we got 1 A. So we can conclude triangle ABP similar to triangle DEQ by SAS similarity criteria. Therefore, we can say this AB by DE equal to AP by DQ. Here we have written in equation number 1, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square. AB by DE we can replace by AP by DQ. So we can conclude area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AP by DQ whole square. Therefore, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So here is drawn a square ABCD and a triangle is described on one of the side of the square. This triangle BCP is drawn on one of the side of the square. And this triangle ACQ, it is drawn on one of the diagonals, that is drawn on AC. So we need to prove the area of the equilateral triangle described on the side is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on diagonal. That is, we need to prove area of this triangle BCP is equal to half the area of this triangle ACQ. This BCP and ACQ both are equilateral triangles. Let ABCD be a square with the side A. Then diagonal AC equal to A root 2. Here let us take the side of the square is A. So this AB is A and BC is also A. Then what is the length of this AC? It is the diagonal. We know this is a right triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, that is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. Therefore, hypotenuse equal to root of 2A square, that is equal to A root 2. So, the sides are A and diagonal is A root 2. So, the length of AC is A root 2. We know triangle BCP and triangle ACQ are equilateral triangles, so they are similar. Therefore, we can write area of triangle BCP by area of triangle ACQ equal to BC by AC whole square. The length of BC is A. Length of AC is A root 2. So, that is equal to A by A root 2 whole square. That is equal to A square by 2A square. A square we can cancel. We get area of triangle BCP by area of triangle ACQ equal to 1 by 2. Let us take this ACQ to right side. We can conclude area of triangle BCP equal to half into area of triangle ACQ. Take the correct answer and justify. ABC and BDE are equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BDE is 2:1, 1:2, 4:1, 1:4. Here it is given triangle ABC and triangle BDE are equilateral triangles, so they are similar. And triangle ABCD is the midpoint of BC, that is given. So, let the sides of this triangle be A. Then this BC also A. D is the midpoint, so this BD is A by 2. We have a triangle ABC similar to triangle BDE, so we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDE equal to AB by BD whole square. Here AB is A and BD is A by 2. So that is equal to A by 2 whole square. That is equal to A square by 4. That is equal to A square into 4 by A square. A square can be cancelled. We get that is equal to 4 by 1. Therefore, the ratio is 4:1. Next one, sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Area of these triangles are in the ratio 2:3, 4:9, 81:16, 16:81. Ratio of the area is equal to square of the sides, that is equal to 4 by 9 whole square, that is equal to 16 by 81. So the correct answer is 16:81. In figure, the line segment XY is parallel to side AC of triangle ABC and it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Find the ratio AX by AB. Here is given the figure triangle ABC. XY is parallel to AC. We need to find the ratio AX by AB. First we are going to prove this triangle ABC and triangle XBY are similar. We know these two lines are parallel, so this angle BAC and BXY both are equal because they are corresponding angles. Similarly here, this angle BCA and this angle BYX, they are also equal corresponding angles. So here we have got two angles. So we can conclude a triangle ABC similar to triangle XBY by AA similarity criterion. So we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY equal to AB by XB whole square. Let it as equation number 1. And in the question it is given it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. This XY is dividing the triangle into two parts of equal areas. So these two parts are equal, or this BXY is the half of this triangle ABC. So we can write area of triangle ABC equal to 2 times area of triangle XBY. Taking XBY to left side, we get area of triangle ABCY, area of triangle XBY equal to 2 by 1. Keep it as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get AB by XB whole square equal to 2 by 1. Taking square root on both sides, we get AB by XB equal to root 2 by 1. Take the reciprocal, we can write XB by AB equal to 1 by root 2. Subtract both result from 1. We get 1 minus XB by AB equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Cross multiplying, we get AB minus XB whole divided by AB equal to root 2 minus 1 whole divided by root 2. Now you see the figure, what is AB minus XB? AB minus XB is AX. So we can write AX by AB equal to root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Here the denominator is root 2. Let us rationalize it by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by root 2 by root 2. So root 2 minus 1 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. Then it is a binomial, multiply with root 2. Root 2 into root 2, it is 2. 1 into root 2, it is root 2. Root 2 into root 2, it is 2. So the result is AX by AB equal to 2 minus root 2 divided by 2.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.